Hello everyone, let us solve the following. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 centimeters and height 24 centimeters. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Shall we start? Yes. What is given here? Here, a joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone. Okay, so on the base radius of that particular right circular cone is 7 centimeters and the height of the cone is 24 centimeters. It is the given data. Okay, we need to find out the area of the sheet required to make 10 such cones, right? So here what can we conclude here? Since the cap is in conical shape, the area of the sheet required to make each cap will be equal to the curved surface area of the cone, right? So in order to find out the area of the sheet required for making it, we need to find out the curved surface area, okay, for each cap, right? So here, how can we find out the curved surface area of the cone? We know that the curved surface area of the right circular cone of base radius r and slant height L is pi r L. Okay, this is the radius of the base and this is the slant height. Okay, but slant height is not given in the data. Only we got the height of the cone, that is 24 centimeters. Okay, the right circular cone height of 24 centimeters. But in order to find the curved surface area, we need to get the slant height. ఓకే, మన కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా కావాలి అంటే ఈ స్లాంట్ హైట్ అవసరం ఉంటుంది. సో ఎందుకని? కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ఎ రైట్ సర్క్యులర్ కోన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ pi rl, where l is the slant height. Okay, right? So we don't know, we didn't get the information of l here. So but not a problem, we can find it. How can we find it? As it is a right circular cone, obviously this becomes the right angled triangle. Okay, where base radius becomes one of the no one of the sides and the height of the cone becomes the other side, and the slant height becomes the hypotenuse. Okay, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem here easily. Okay, as it is the right circular cone, right? So applying Pythagoras theorem, what can we find? L square is equal to h square plus r square, where r is the base radius and h is the height of the cone. Okay, so we are substituting the given values here. What are given? R is 7 centimeters, height h is 24 centimeters. Just I am substituting. So L square is equal to h square plus r square. So L square enta 20, h place లో 24 స్క్వేర్, అలాగే r ప్లేస్ లో 7 పెట్టుకుంటే 7 స్క్వేర్. ఓకే, సో L స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 24 స్క్వేర్ అంటే మనకు తెలుసు 576, అలాగే 7 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 49. ఓకే, సో L స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 625 అవుతుంది. ఆటోమేటిక్గా L రూట్ ఆఫ్ 625 అంటే 25 సెంటీమీటర్స్ వచ్చేసింది. ఓకే, సో వాట్ డిడ్ వి ఫైండ్ నౌ? వీఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు ఫైండ్ ద slant height of that particular right circular cone L. Okay, we have found out the slant height of this right circular cone by applying Pythagoras theorem, as it is the right circular cone here. Okay, right. Now, after finding the slant height, it is easy for us to find out the curved surface area. How can we get the curved surface area? Curved surface area of the right circular cone. Here indirectly we can say it is the joker's cap, because the joker's cap having the base radius and the height, it is in the form of a right circular cone kada. So we are applying curved surface area of one joker's cap is pi into r into l, where r is the radius of the base radius of the right circular cone and l is the slant height. I am substituting the value simply. 22 by 7 into 7 into L value 25. We have found out. Okay. So 22 here 7 gets cancelled. 22 into 1 in 25. So further simplification, what do we get? 550 centimeter square or square centimeters. Ante identi, this is the curved surface area of one joker's cap. Okay, so but in the given problem we are asked to find out 10 joker's caps, 10 such caps we need to find out. So obviously what can we do? If we get the area of one particular cap, definitely we can multiply that area with 10, because we need 10 joker's cap, 10 caps. Okay, so after multiplying that, what do we get it? 5500 centimeter squares or square centimeters. So what can be concluded here? The area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Such caps means we should have the idea having, they should be in the conical shape, right circular cones. They should have base radius 7 centimeters and the height should be 24 centimeters. So having all those dimensions to make such caps, how many caps? 10 caps. Okay, so for 10 caps we need 5500 square centimeters. Okay, the area of the sheet is 5500 square centimeters. అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటాను. Thank you. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe.